Do you use mulch in your garden? If not, you really should start using it as soon as possible. This Michigan Garden Moment is brought to you by migardener.com. With over 450 varieties of heirloom and organic flowers, vegetables, and herb seeds, all for 99 cents a pack. Find out more at migardener.com. Mulch is one of the top tools in which you can use in your garden to get the best results from what you're growing. How does mulch work? It's very beneficial as it retains moisture and suppresses weeds. Mulch can be a variety of different materials that you can bring into your garden. Shredded leaves or unshredded leaves in the fall. If you bring enough in, you can have enough mulch for most of the growing season in the summer. You can use pine needles. They do not make your soil acidic and they work very well for perennial beds. You can use chemical-free and seed-free grass clippings. Seed-free as the plants are not going to seed, so you're not introducing seeds into your garden. But chemical-free as if you do have your lawn treated or you treat your lawn with a chemical weed and feed, that chemical can stay with the grass clipping and introduced into your garden when you water and kill your broadleaf plants or greatly disform them. Even in a compostable form, years later, that chemical can still be active and affect the plants in which you're growing. You can use straw. That is a very well-known mulch to use. But anything that you use, we want to mimic what nature does in the forest floor. It protects it, keeps the soil healthy. By covering the soil, you're keeping the microbial life healthy and active all year long, and having a healthier soil is a more productive garden when it's time to grow. This Michigan Garden Moment is brought to you by migardener.com. With over 450 varieties of heirloom and organic flowers, vegetables, and herb seeds, all for 99 cents a pack. Find out more at migardener.com.